Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your ISP account is active and you have the router login. This saves time. Once done, place the Wi-Fi box near the wall jack or modem, not in a closed cabinet because airflow and signal matter. Next, plug in the power adapter and connect the Ethernet or DSL cable to the correct port. You should see LEDs light. Make sure the device gets stable power before moving on, since initial boot and firmware checks take a few minutes. You now connect directly. Use Ethernet for reliability or join the default Wi-Fi printed on the label, because configuration is faster that way. Open your browser and go to the router IP shown in the manual or on the sticker and log in with the default admin credentials. Change them immediately. Then run the quick setup wizard. Name your 4/5 GHz networks, pick a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase, and set a unique. To finish, position the box centrally and elevated to maximize coverage, then test speeds on a laptop and phone in main rooms to confirm performance. Make sure firmware auto update is enabled and configure a guest network or parental controls as required, because these protect your network and devices. If you lose internet, reboot the box first, check cable seating and LED status, and verify your ISP service. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and reconfigure. Keep your new admin password handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.